Hello guys. So if you're an active user on Facebook, I'm sure by now you're getting tired of the highlight and the followers notification. You are browsing on your platform, you are engaging some posts, then all of a sudden you realize that you're getting some notifications only to realize that somebody you're following has just done at highlight or at followers, and that's become your notification. In all honesty, a lot of those posts don't concern you, but the person just wants interactions and has just used that option. So let me show you in 4 simple steps how you can get rid of this notification and how you can prevent yourself from ever being highlighted or being followers. I don't know how to put that word. And if you enjoy such content, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I talk about how to make money online. I talk about very helpful stuff, and I'm sure you're going to love it if you watch all my videos. So please stay on, and at the end of this video, you know how to get rid of such notifications. So I am on my Facebook interface right now. All you have to do is at the top right corner, just go to your profile, and then you go to the settings icon at the top, as I've done. Just scroll down a bit. You see notifications right here. All right, so just tap on it, and then you see tags right here. Just tap on it, and then just scroll down. You see they say what? Receive notifications for batch mentions. Just click on that button there. When it goes off, it means you have turned it off and nobody can disturb you with the followers or highlight option. So if you found value from this video, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Hey, before you go, I have noticed that people who like such videos tend to absolutely love these recent episodes I did. So click on them and watch them to increase your knowledge set and your skill set. Thank you.